Lapbah bajur ha Meghalaya nadu henden kesngi ula penjot bat Pynjulor ya ki babon ki Jaka ha ke Jylla. Deputy Commissioner ka East KHASI Hills SC Sadhu ula ong ba kumba artway teli ki longyeng ki lashakta ha mau keneng blok bat prateli ha mau plang blok bat kawai ha mau kenro blok. Kat kum udisi on sa jengarap da ki tin sop yeng shaki longyeng ki basyam lanot menta kesngi. Haga juga por kat ba kasun meneng kadang jur haki benta ba per jong ka district ki bor penyat district kila ya trailang bat kitnat ban penti kena ba barok kila jengarap ba kirki on la ban penpoi kloi kat bala.
So essentially there are 3 blocks affected in our district. Primarily that is one heavy in the severest is in Maurinkening block and followed by Maflong block and Maukenru block. So in Maurinkening we have, as per these initial reports, that around 21 families are affected. So where their houses are fully damaged, where the roof was flown away, and same around 8 families are affected in Maflong block. So which is in Mongop and Maflong, and there is, as per our initial report, 1 family is affected in Maukenru block. So
ka area